What is up, my thrifty friends? Taps here from the Urban Goddess shop. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have an exciting one. This is something I've been dying to share with you guys for a couple months. It's finally ready to be rolled out, and I think this is going to change how you operate in your business and also save you time every single time you do listings and cross listing. Do you have a death pile, aka money pile? Could be an IKEA bag, a tote, maybe even like a whole corner of a room that's just sitting with inventory that you need to get listed. I'm going to show you in this video how you can list those items on multiple platforms, from photographing to publishing, in 2 to 3 minutes a listing. And I am not shitting you guys. Like, this is so crazy. I think it's going to change so many people's businesses. I think it's going to help with time efficiency. I'm so excited to implement it into my own business. And yeah, we're just going to go over it today. Did you know that a new feature came out from the makers of Posh Sidekick, and it is available on their other app called Crosslisting? It's an inventory management system, and it also acts as a cross-listing software. So kind of like other cross-listing softwares. I do have a link below if you want to try it for free and also save on your first month. If you are a Sidekick user already, you will also be able to create 25 listings a month with your Posh Sidekick membership. If you're listing on multiple platforms, I think cross-listing is just your best option. The other thing is cross-listing has a plan for everyone, no matter where your business is currently. So no matter what your budget is, no matter where your business is, how many listings you're doing, they have individual plans for wherever you are right now in your business. That's also a cool thing. So the new feature is called SmartFill, and all you need to do is upload photos to create a listing, select your marketplaces, and let it do its magic. Basically off of like 2 to 4 photos. I like to use like a front and back, and then any of the tag photos nice and close, and it's going to create a title, description. It's going to fill out all the categories required. So I'm currently listing on Posh US, Posh Canada, and eBay, and it is filling out all required fields. Now, you do have to take a look over it. I mean, I do the same thing with my VA when she drafts listings for me. I always take a look over it, but the accuracy, not gonna lie, I'm pretty impressed with it right now. I've just been playing around with it on different types of listings, and I'm quite impressed with what I'm seeing so far. How to use this feature, I'm actually going to go through step by step, and then I'm going to show you on 2 items where I have created listings for them. So step by step, you're going to open the cross listing app. I like to use the mobile version. I'm using it on my phone. You're going to create listing. You're going to upload your selected photos, select also the platforms you want to list it to. So I have my Posh Canada, Posh US, and eBay Canada platforms connected. Then you're gonna let it do its magic. This takes anywhere from 20 to 40 seconds as it creates the listing, title, description, everything like I said, and auto populates the required fields. So next, I just like to open each one, take a quick look, make sure it's the right stuff, and you can literally hit publish. It's that quick. All 3 platforms it's gone out onto. So if you are listing on 3, 4, 5 platforms, I know in the US you guys have a lot more options than we do here in Canada, you can list on all of those. Currently, you still have to enter in your style tags. I feel like this is a really personal choice thing for people anyways. We all have very particular and specific style tags that we're using for the items that we're listing, so I'm okay with that. Also, you will have to enter in the SKU and any measurements that you have taken for this item. Now, I know that the SKU is coming soon. They're going to be including that. If you're like me and you use a whiteboard where you'll put, the size, pit to pit, length, and SKU, they're actually adding that into the software where it's going to be able to read that information and put it into the description for you. So hang tight. That is coming. This is kind of like the first rollout of the feature. So for right now, you do have to enter in a couple things yourself, but that's it. The only other thing I wanted to get added to it is the point form with descriptive keywords. They're working on that as well. So that's the cool part about having a partnership with a developer, is that I get to have a say in software and tools and things that they're developing. And obviously, just wanting the best for the apps and the software. Okay, so let's go over 2 listings that I have already created, and I wanted to just show you guys a demo of how quick. So the first one takes about 3 minutes and the second one takes 2 minutes, which is like nothing. We're gonna start this right here. I have my camera out. I'm gonna take photos. So we're gonna do a front photo, a tag photo. I'm just gonna search for the next tags. Hold on tight, but this is like real time. All right, here's the first tag photo, flip it over. We'll do the second, and let's grab this hanger, flip it around, and do a back shot. Nice and easy. Okay, next I'm gonna go to my cross-listing app, open it up. So you're gonna tap that cross-list circle, create listing. You're gonna add in your photos. Here we go, selecting them all, hit add. Now I'm going to select the platforms, so Posh US, Posh Canada, and eBay. Now it tells you the 40-second counter or timer. It doesn't necessarily take that, but they want you to allow for that as it auto-populates this information. I feel like this is actually pretty quick. I know you have to sit there and wait, but honestly, to me, it's better than having to do all these features myself and having to go through each platform and select things. But that's it. See, less than 40 seconds this took. Now we're just going to click on, make sure the information is correct, did a description for it, the title looks fine. It even sets pricing based on market values. I am going to check out my Posh US one, make sure it's the same. This is where you could also enter in your style tags. So for this one, I'm going to put soft, neutral, and minimalist. Sorry for my slow typing. I just thought I would add these in while we were going over the demo. And then again, just looking further, making sure everything is selected correct. And then we'll go to my eBay. Now you can adjust the pricing if you want to do different pricing. Also, if you want to enter the SKU, this is where you could enter your SKU as well. And we'll just take a quick look at the Canada one. Cruising through, looks right. You would have to re-enter style tags as well here, which you could just do a copy and paste from the previous one. And then we'll go to eBay, which it filled everything out except for the pre-owned. Select your shipping policy, select your payment policy, select your return policy, and you are good to go. Now all you have to do is hit publish, and you can select run in the background, and then you can continue listing. When it successfully lists, it will let you know. It'll also show up that it was listed to these platforms. So pretty easy. That's just a basic sweater that I pulled out of my inventory. Next, we're going to do a pair of boots. So I have my own pair of Blundstones. I just wanted to see how this would read it. So a picture of the boots, the brand, the size. I'm just trying to figure out what I should include. And then we're going to do just a couple extra pictures of the boots. So from the back, there we go. Bottom. As you can tell, this was not like a setup. I'm totally just doing this on the fly. I'm going to go back to the software. Next, you'll add your photos. So select my boot photos. Perfect. Add those in. So reselect those, and then it'll start to do the countdown and the auto populate. So 40 seconds. You guys saw this last time. Let's see how long it takes this time. So we're at 10 seconds. 15, 20. Ooh, this one's taking a little bit longer. 25, 30, and just under 35 seconds. Now we'll take a quick look through. So Blundstone, leather boots. They did put it as unisex. I think I would change this to women's, but because it's based on Australian sizing, you'd still have to make a few adjustments there. Otherwise, the information is pretty accurate. I have no other complaints with this. we'll check out the eBay ones because I have found between Poshmark Canada, Posh US, the information's been the same. So make sure I select that pre-owned, and then you can look at it, make any adjustments. I always have to add my shipping policy, my payment policy, and my return policy. I do flat rate shipping, so I don't have to do dimensions and weight. I highly recommend that. If you're doing a lot of eBay stuff, figure out what the average cost is, hit publish, and we'll let it run in the background. And then again, it'll just let me know when it has listed to the platforms. That one took just over 2 minutes to complete. Like, isn't this mind-blowing? That's 2 minutes taking photos, uploading them, creating the listing, and cross-listing it to 3 platforms. I could walk away at that point. I could toss those into my IKEA bag to go to my inventory room and walk away at that point. It's just like, it's crazy. I don't know. It's so crazy. I think this is going to be a fantastic tool for anyone that's trying to get through a lot of inventory, that needs help with their cross-listing, that is like overwhelmed with the thought of having to work through inventory and get it cross-listed to multiple platforms. This just takes out all that work. I'm speechless. I actually had notes and I'm like, I don't even know what to say now because I feel like there's just so many cool things. So I do think this is going to be a great tool for anyone that's wanting to do listings, work through a death pile quickly, getting your items up on multiple platforms. Like I said, there are still a few things that you have to add in, but this feature is going to get better and better over the next couple of months as they implement changes and make improvements. This is just the beginning. So I want to know, like, how many items do you think you could list in an hour? Just doing the math on these, I could list 20 to 25 items an hour using this feature, and that is cross-listed to multiple platforms. Like, my mind is blown. Okay, so if you want to try this for a 7-day free trial, also save 10% off your first purchase with them, you can click the link below. I am an affiliate with Posh Sidekick and Crosslisting. I do receive a small commission, and I just want to put that out there so you guys know I am being paid or compensated to share their product, but I only share stuff that I am using myself and that I stand behind. And I appreciate the partnership that I've had with them. They've been very receptive to my feedback and always wanting to make their products the best, which is what I love about them. I'm just so appreciative of the partnership I've been able to build with them. Now, I have a chance for you guys to win a free month, and if you already are a subscriber, a free month coupon for you to add to your cross-listing membership. So all you have to do is comment down below why you're so excited about this, how you think this would impact your business, anything you want to share. All you have to do is comment below. You will get entered into my draw for 3 separate 1-month memberships to cross-listing and to get access to this new feature. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it brings value to your reselling business. I'm very excited to share this with you guys. Obviously, I am fighting a cold and I was like, no, I gotta put out this video. I gotta share it because I think this could impact a lot of people right now that maybe sales are really slow, that are just being held back by them not being able to get their items listed. This is an easy way for you to get your items listed, get them onto the platforms so that people can start seeing them and make purchases. And even once you've listed them, if you want to make tweaks to the listing, you can do that after too. But it just saves so much time to get those listings out there onto the platforms that you're selling on. On that note, guys, that's all I got to say today. I just had to share this new feature and I hope you love it as much as I do. Okay, let's do the sending you guys lots and lots of sales. I hope everyone is seeing sales starting to increase, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.